Bayraktar TB2, Turkey's first national and original SİHA, successfully completed 500,000 flight hours, setting a new record in the history of Turkish aviation. Developed by Baykar, the manufacturer of Turkey's national SİHA systems, the National SİHA Bayraktar TB2, which is shown as the best in its class in the world when its technical features and the operations it participated in are evaluated, entered the inventory of the Turkish Armed Forces, TSK, in 2014. The unmanned aerial vehicle, which was armed in 2015, is now operationally used by the Turkish Armed Forces, Gendarmerie General Command, General Directorate of Security and MIT. Bayraktar TB2 SİHA has been actively working in the fight against terrorism in the country and across the border by the security forces since 2014. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey's first SİHA platform exported to the world, are followed with interest by the world aviation and defense industry. Export contracts were signed with 23 countries, including Ukraine, Qatar, Azerbaijan and Poland. Having exported $664 million of UAV systems in 2021, Baykar became the company that exports the most in the field of defense and aerospace, according to the data announced by the Turkish Exporters Assembly. Baykar currently generates more than 90% of its revenues from exports. Negotiations continue with many countries that are interested in the National SİHA Bayraktar TB2. Bayraktar TB2 SİHA, which broke new ground in the history of Turkish aviation, will also fly over Polish skies this year. Thus, for the first time, Turkey will have exported a high-tech SİHA, armed unmanned aerial vehicle, to a NATO and European Union (EU) member country.